Stranger there, Maverick is the name. Riding the trail to who knows where. Luck is his companion, gambling is his game. Smooth as a handle on a gun. Maverick.
Did people think you were a white Mexican?
Out on the trail? Nobody.
The hat and the mustache?
They thought I was the real deal until they saw me get on the horse.
To New Orleans, living on Jackson, Queens. Maverick is a legend of the
How do I look?
Like a city slicker on a horse?
That's how my butt feels.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Can we take the camera for a second?
Here comes Uncle Eric up the back. Yeehaw! Do what?
I don't think your name's Uncle Greg anymore. I think it's Cookie.
It might be Handlebar.
It's not him.
Hey,
It's either Cookie.
you might be Cookie. I ain't Cookie.
Just because I'm riding Peaches?
Yeah. Come on, see you cross the thing.
Go for it.
I've already done it.
You're off.
Make your horse go.
Yeah, let's go, Peaches. Yeah, yeah.
Hey, look at you.
Right. I'm kind of young.
Keep rolling, rolling, rolling. Though the streams are swollen, keep them doggies rolling, right through rain and wind and weather.
Eric, how'd you get that mud on your shirt?
Fell down.
You get bucked off your horse?
Chasing some outlaws.
It's pretty muddy.
Rustlers. Rustlers. I was chasing rustlers.
Yeah. It's a lot of mud.
Like it came off a horse.
How's it going, cowboy?
Just rope and throw and
Are you like Lake Mills?
Between St. Louis and Kansas City.
my true love will be waiting.
You got a few little pounds on one side and stuff on the other.
I can get the biceps on my right side. I think I broke my caucus.